Black sheep glasses are marketed as stylish eyewear with premium design, comfort, and eye-catching looks that stand out from traditional frames. But the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, stylish glasses do not automatically mean low quality. Eyewear is both a fashion product and a practical product. So design and comfort can matter a lot. What it does well: unique designs. The frames may stand out compared with more traditional styles. Fashion appeal. People looking for something different may like the aesthetic. Where the concerns start appearing: looks do not automatically equal quality. This is the biggest issue. Premium-looking photos do not always reflect frame durability or materials. Fit can be unpredictable online. Glasses that look great on a website may feel very different in real life. Material details matter. Frame material, hinge quality, and lens options can make a big difference. So, should you buy black sheep glasses? Short answer: maybe, but research first. If you genuinely like the designs and understand the materials you're buying, they may be worth considering. But if you're expecting luxury quality simply because of the branding, expectations may be too high. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.